Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by going straight to the backup location on Windows. Navigate to see /users /your name /app data /roaming /Apple computer /mobile sync /backup, and identify the folder with today's timestamp. Once found, check if the backup is marked encrypted. If it is, have the password ready because you cannot extract encrypted payloads without it. Next, copy that folder to a separate working directory so you never modify the original. This preserves integrity and lets you experiment safely. Now you dive into the core. Open Manifest. DB with a SQLite viewer to translate file ID into readable paths so you know what each blob actually contains. Once done, run a backup extractor that understands Apple's manifest and file key mapping. Make sure it supports decryption if your backup is encrypted and you have the password. Export data type selectively, messages, SMS. DB, photos in camera roll, contacts, and app containers, and convert databases or binary lists into human-readable formats for review and further use. Finish by validating everything you exported. Open message databases, preview photos, import vCard contacts into an address book, and load converted lists to confirm integrity. Once verified, store the extracted set in a secure backup location, and, if necessary, convert or repackage files for the target app or device. If you run into problems, the most common fix is an encryption issue. Double-check the backup password. Try keychain recovery on the original Mac or device, and ensure the manifest. DB matches the file set before retrying extraction.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.